Greetings, cosmic voyagers. I am Seraphina, your guide through time and space, the cosmic teacher. Imagine for a moment an interstellar mission across the boundless void, a mission shrouded in mystery, where faith in the unseen must illuminate the way. Today, we journey to the celestial system of Sanctuary 14, where the fate of an entire people rested on the words of 12 cosmic spies. This is the story of faith, doubt, and promise in the vast expanse of the Galactic Bible Stories, the promise of the cosmic spies. The Exodus capacitors aboard the Starlight colony ship pulsed with energy, carrying the refugees of a forsaken realm. Yet beyond the dark matter and shimmering nebulas lay their destined homeland, the promised sphere, a celestial haven described in ancient holograms and songs of hope. Captain Yehqar, a commander of unparalleled devotion, selected 12 of the bravest couriers for a reconnaissance mission into the promised sphere. This place was no ordinary colony. Its atmosphere pulsed with ethereal light. Its landscapes glittered like translucent quartz. It shimmered as a beacon to the fragmented people of Yehqar's fleet, a promise of a new utopia. Before setting out, Yehqar gathered the 12, each representing their clans from distant star systems. Among them was Shoa, an optimist with radiant crimson energy trails and spoken of as the emissary of unwavering faith. Beside him was Ib, whose strength emanated from a golden energy core. He balanced fervour with practicality. The others knew their roles: silent watchers, vigilant record keepers, and seasoned pilots specialised in stealth through dark nebulae. As the 12 activated their starkits and navigated their star paths deeper into the promised sphere, they encountered beings unlike any their records had ever shown. Towering radiant entities, the Nephim giants, stood guard amidst bioluminescent forested valleys and vibrant crystalline caverns. Their size and strength, unmatched in the galaxies, were both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Whisper networks carried electric fear ripples through the cloaked team. Only Shoa and Ib, refracting the wave of panic, stood firmly anchored in faith. Each operative recorded extensive visuals, terrain analyses, and atmospheric data. Yet the longer their mission endured, the seed of doubt began sprouting among the 12. At the heart of the promised sphere glowed Empyrean plateaus, habitable zones of unmatched beauty, yet eerily protected by intensifying galactic storms and the ever-watchful Nephim beings. Would Yehqar's people ever manage to reach this sphere of cosmic promise? Questions pressed heavily upon the team. Was this brilliant realm a deliverance or an unreachable hope? Upon their return to colony ship Nebularis, the 12 spies unleashed their gathered intelligences. Holograms, fractal renderings, and cosmic charts detailed the marvels of the impending homeland, yet dwelled on formidable challenges: the destructive energy forces circling landing zones, the unimaginable adversary that were the Nephim giants themselves, adaptive alien ecosystems, unfamiliar to the fleet's terraforming suits. 10 of the 12, voices taut with the ringing of despair, warned the crew against venturing further into confusion and potential doom. Their fearful silence spread among the exiled community until doubt entrenched their hearts. Was the promised sphere nothing but a celestial mirage? Even Captain Yehqar appeared momentarily shaken. Only 2 voices emerged to challenge the darkening sentiment: Shoa and Ib. Before the Council of Elders, Shoa's voice resonated with fervour. "Let us not betray our story midway," he implored. "I witnessed a land flowing with vitality like streams of living starlight, glowing reminders of Yahweh's promise. Fear secures nothing. We march to inherit not just survival, but the destiny of an entire legacy." Ib nodded firmly, his golden energy flare pulsating brighter as he added, "No Nephim giant or galactic storm can thwart the greater hand guiding us. Trust burns brighter than the fiercest trial in our cosmic voyage." The council deliberated long past Starrise. Finally, Captain Yehqar laid bare his decision. They would proceed toward the promised sphere, choosing faith in the greater promise over the paralytic grip of fear. Yet not everyone in the Nebularis colony chose to follow. Weak links in the chain, Uncertain travellers who resisted detached themselves and drifted apart. As the Exodus capacitors recalibrated for their final warp propulsion, an astonishing sign graced Nebularis's celestial observation bridge. An ethereal aurora, shimmering in hues unseen by mortal spectrometers, guided their route through the ensuing hazards. Flames of trust, like proverbial torches, rekindled morale across the fleet. And so, the great colony's odyssey toward the promised sphere gathered its steam, rushing toward its predestined eternity, lit by courage and a willingness to trust beyond logic. The 12 spies may have shared one mission, but their choices redefined how humanity responded to the daunting unknown. Many faltered and questioned the cosmic trails ahead. But even in astrophysical challenges unrivaled, tireless bravery prevails with those who lean, unwavering, on divine ordinations beyond what the eye or scanner perceives. In every dimension, through every cosmos, know this: all that truly ensnares us is fear. We are not bound to conquer alone. Rather, impassioned bonds of reason and revelation lead onward. Just as Yehqar's faith ignited his people, carving pathways out of nebulous doubt, so can you hold fast to assurance even uncharted planets across infinite spatial veils. Eternity's promises belong unto faithful souls daringly launched heavenward. I am Seraphina, forever reminding you that belief, a starbeam cutting through the endless void, continues claiming joy within the galaxies. Until our next sacred journey into celestial archives, farewell brave wanderers. Until timeless tales rekindle future screens, stay bright,